6 Best Yoga Poses for Men with Prostate Problems. Prostate enlargement is more common than most people think. It causes urination problems that can negatively affect the quality of life for many men over the age of 50. Could yoga help manage any of those symptoms? This video looks at how yoga may give men greater control over their prostate problems and shows some of the different poses that may help. What is BPH? BPH, short for benign prostate hyperplasia, is a condition that's characterized by abnormal enlargement of the prostate gland. An enlarged prostate puts pressure on the urethra, making it difficult for men to urinate. Men who experience BPH may find it more difficult to start urinating, may urinate more frequently, and may find that they feel like they need to go again after urinating, among other frustrating symptoms. Prostate enlargement is understood to occur naturally as a result of the normal aging process. This would explain the high number of cases worldwide, especially among men after the age of 80. The exact cause of BPH remains unknown. However, researchers think that it develops due to the combination of the aging process and the hormonal changes that take place during this life period. Can yoga help? There is no denying the numerous scientific studies on the benefits of yoga. This ancient practice focuses on improving every aspect of our life, focusing on our health. Both mental and physical health can and will benefit from regular yoga practice. So it is no surprise that yoga can help you beat BPH. For starters, yoga will help strengthen the pelvic floor muscles. This can contribute to significantly reducing the symptoms. You can expect your bladder control to improve, thus resulting in less aggravated BPH symptoms. One important aspect of yoga for prostate enlargement is stress reduction. Not a lot of people know that stress is a great risk factor for BPH. Being constantly stressed out will only make the urinary symptoms worse. Yoga has also been shown to lessen treatment-related symptoms in men with prostate cancer. Yoga has also been shown to reduce stress, which is believed to make the symptoms of BPH worse. Reducing stress through yoga means symptoms will likely be reduced. Yoga poses for BPH. 1. The Cobbler Pose. The Cobbler Pose, also known as the butterfly stretch, is one of the easiest yoga poses. It is designed to help relieve pelvic tension and is performed in a seated position. It is recommended for those who are new to yoga that they use a cushion or mat to sit on. To do the Cobbler Pose, start by sitting down on the floor with the legs extended in front of you. Bend the knees to the sides and place the soles of the feet so that they are touching. Use your hands to clasp the feet and hold them together. The goal is to lower the knees closer to the floor as much as possible. Try to maintain this pose for a few minutes, then walk the hands in front of your legs if available to you. Remember to breathe deeply the entire time. 2. The Hero Pose. Yet another seated position to help you lower the pelvic tension is the Hero Pose. To get into this pose, sit down on the floor so that you are sitting between your feet. The toes should be pointing backward and the knees should touch the ground. If this is unavailable to you, use a cushion that you can sit on for extra support. Lengthen your spine as much as possible and keep your head up. Stay in this pose for a couple of minutes while taking deep breaths. 3. The Bow Pose. Switch things up a bit by getting into the Bow Pose. The Bow Pose is done by lying on your stomach. This will strengthen your pelvic floor muscles and your abdominal muscles and the muscles on the lower back. Lay on your stomach with your hands extended by your side. Bend your knees and start to lift your legs from the floor. At the same time, start raising your head and chest upwards by using your hands to grab the ankles. You can also hold your shins or your feet, whichever feels more comfortable. Keep breathing and looking in front of you. Stay in this pose for up to 30 seconds, then lower your body and repeat. 4. The Reclining Big Toe Pose. After you are done doing the bow pose, lie on your back for the famous reclining hand to big toe pose. This is a great yoga pose for prostate enlargement because it strengthens the pelvic floor muscles and it releases tension all at the same time. Lie on your back and extend your legs completely. Then bend one knee and move your thigh closer to your chest. Keep your other leg extended on the floor and point your toes for stability. Put a stretching strap on the toes of your bent leg. Slowly strengthen the leg and flex the foot, holding onto the strap. Move the leg as close as possible to your body while keeping it straight. Take deep breaths and keep in this pose for a couple of seconds, then repeat using your other leg. 5. The head to knee pose. If you want to release tension and strengthen your core simultaneously, we recommend doing the head to knee pose. It is said that doing this pose on a regular basis will help improve the blood flow to the pelvis as well as detoxify it. Start by sitting down and extending your legs in front of you. Bend one knee and bring the sole of the foot to touch the thigh on the other side. Keeping the other leg extended, walk your hands to the front. Start bending towards the extended leg. Beginners will feel the urge to bend the knee of the extended leg and even round their spine. This is okay, and it is just another yoga goal to work towards. Stay in this pose a couple of seconds and use your breath to relax. Then repeat on the other side. 6. The shoulder stand. The shoulder stand is one of the more advanced yoga poses. You are advised against making a full shoulder stand at the beginning of your training. Of course, you are always welcome to work towards it. This is an amazing pose that allows strengthening the pelvic floor muscles, lower back, and abdominals, and improving the overall health of the prostate. To get into a shoulder stand, you first need to lie on your back. Start to raise your legs, using your abdominals and lower back muscles to support the movement. Eventually, your hips will need to come off the mat and leave only your head and shoulders on the ground. For beginners, it is recommended that they also use their hands to support their lower bodies. This is known as a supported shoulder stand. Facing BPH is not a pleasant nor comfortable experience. It is an issue that promises to make every aspect of your life harder simply by affecting that small gland hidden within the bladder and the urethra. If you are tired of getting up at night and experiencing frequent urinary infections, we encourage you to make a change today. Trying something as simple as yoga can make significant changes, ones that will finally put a stop to your suffering. Thanks for watching. If you've learned something new from today's video, make sure to subscribe to Ben's Natural Health YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Also, if you want more tips on the best natural ways to manage your enlarged prostate, head over to bensnaturalhealth.com. Now it's your turn. Have you tried yoga before? Which yoga poses are you going to try? Let us know by leaving a comment below.